Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on Minimal Nerd. Today I have a quick review for this really nice microphone for your smartphone or for any kind of mobile device. It works with iOS and Android. Of course, I'm talking about the SHURE MV88 Plus video kit. So this is a microphone that you can plug in with your smartphone, and you can use it for live streaming, you can use it for recording your sessions, you can use it for YouTube. It's really nice, and it comes with a lot of useful things here. So we're gonna do the unboxing first, and we're gonna do a small test to see of course the audio quality. That's what you want to hear. So stay tuned. This video is brought to you by buy124.com. Buy124.com is an e-commerce website where you can find anything from the stores in the US like Amazon, eBay, and they're gonna bring it to you here to Vietnam. So if you guys are interested in the best prices that you can find for buying stuff from the US to come here, so please check buy124.com. They were actually so generous, and they offered me a voucher for my followers. So this is a voucher that can help you get discount for some of the products you want to buy. So if you guys are interested, please leave a comment down below, write in "I want the voucher." So we're gonna pick one entry from all of you guys, and then we're gonna send it to you to find the best prices on buy124.com. Thank you so much. Okay, now we're gonna unbox the video kit. Let's see what we get inside. So we get the bag here that has first. So you get a nice bag full of the cables and all the kits that you need. It's really nice, very handy. I think this is the microphone. That's right. So this is the actual microphone. Okay, let's put it here. Then here, this is the tripod mount for Manfrotto. And this one is the holder for your smartphone. And here are the cables. One is a USB-C. This is for Android or for your iPad. And this one, I believe, is Lightning. Yeah, it's Lightning for your iPhone. So you get all this stuff here. Then here, you get some warranty paper and all this stuff. And this is the Manfrotto, the tripod, the one you see on the box here. So it's cool that it comes with a small tripod. You can use it for your smartphone, or you can use it for your desktop. Like if you want to do a podcast. That's it. So that's what we got in the box. As you can see here, we've got the Manfrotto tripod. You get the Lightning cable, USB-C cable. We've got the actual microphone. It's very small, and I like the quality of the build. It feels premium. It's like aluminum. And here we got headphone jack for monitoring your audio, and we got a USB port for charging and for actually transferring the data. So this one is a monitoring audio jack, so for using it to monitor your audio or your live stream. And this one where the stream is gonna go to your phone or to your desktop. Okay. And this one is the holder for your phone, so you can use it with the tripod, so you can hold your phone and stream at the same time, or vlog if you're into that. And this is a holder that we have here. So basically it can hold the microphone on top of your Manfrotto tripod, or using your camera or different stuff. So this is a very common thread for cameras and for any hot shoe kind of type of mic will fit here. So as you can see here, I have my OnePlus 8 Pro here and my iPhone 6s Plus, and on both platforms, Android or iOS, you can find the SHURE MV88 Plus software. So there's two things that you should notice: SHURE Plus Motive and SHURE Plus Motive Video. So the first one, like this one here, and this one on iPhone, that one is for recording audio only, and the other one is kind of like a video capture app that also lets you record audio. So we have two apps. I'm just gonna test the first one for audio, because that's what most people are interested in, and it's very straightforward. You record the audio, you can change the mic gain, the monitor, the mix. You can also add other audio sources and edit at the end. So it's a very straightforward kind of app, and it has all the features that you need for recording, streaming, and maybe even editing at the end. So we can use this microphone for videography, for self-recording, audio capture, or maybe even use it with your desktop. So there are many creative setup options. They give you this card to kind of help you understand what you can use the microphone for. Of course, you guys want to see how it works with the iOS. First, plug it to the iPhone here. So using the lightning cable, and then goes to the back of the microphone. We'll put it on the Manfrotto tripod. And here's the actual app on iOS. So you get the option to record, you get the option to adjust the mic gain. Let's put it around 25 decibels. And I'm gonna now try to test the microphone. So I'm gonna put it next to my mouth, this way, and we can start. Hello, this is a test of the SHURE microphone. This is a test of the SHURE microphone. So the microphone now is about, let's say 10 centimeters. So I'm gonna bring it a bit closer. So this is a test of the microphone really close to my mouth. This is a test of the microphone really close to my mouth. So now I'm plugged the microphone to my OnePlus 8 Pro. So we're gonna see how the microphone tests on Android. So here I'm gonna bring the microphone around, bring it a bit closer. So this is like 10 centimeters away. Okay, let's start. This is a test of the microphone 10 centimeters away. This is a test of the microphone 10 centimeters away. Now we're gonna bring it closer, maybe 2 centimeters. This is a test of the microphone 2 centimeters away. This is a test of the microphone 2 centimeters away. There's something interesting on the Android app. You can see that you can adjust actually the stereo width, which is basically how far the microphone can condense the area of the sound. So for example here, you can make it 60 degrees, or you can also go all the way to 135 degrees. So this is really cool. You can also change the cardioid style. Do you want to have a stereo kind of like a microphone? Do you want to have a monocardioid, or you want to have a mono bidirectional? So, and also raw mid-side. So these are all options that you can change from the settings on the Android app. You can also do the same here on iOS. So you can change the direction of the stereo style. Then you can change to monocardioid, or you can go to a mono bidirectional, or even to raw mid-side. So you have all these options. They're actually similar between Android and iOS. So whatever device you have, you're gonna still get all the functions and all the capabilities of this device. It's really cool. You have the different scenarios. You want speech, you want music, guitar, you want to have for broadcasting. So the app is really well thought of, and I think SHURE, the company, did a good job here to give you all you need from the official app. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.